Hey everybody, it is Reclaimer here. Hope you're doing well. I'm grinning right now because I'm recording this in my hotel room, and my wife is in the other room straightening her hair or curling her hair. I'm not sure what, and it feels really awkward talking on this thing when she's here. So we are going on our winter vacation. We're going to be heading out to some places on a boat, on a cruise ship. We're in Miami right now. We actually left our home going on 2 days now. Stayed overnight in Newark. Flew down here to Miami yesterday morning. Been staying here at the Pullman Miami Airport Hotel. Pretty nice hotel. It's kind of a mess right now, but yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. So yeah, we're going to be getting on the boat in a couple hours and going to just splice in some video from the trip. So hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, technically day 2 of the cruise. Seas are moderate at this point. Got some swells, a little rocky, not too bad. Just got done with the gym, just got done with the shower, about to go get breakfast. Yeah. Look at these caves. Nah, that's my life. So it is day 3 of our cruise, and we are docking in Roatan, Honduras right now, actually. It is a little bit rainy, it is a little bit windy, it is a little bit cloudy. So our short excursion is for today because of that. So we're going to see what we want to end up doing. But we are docking, so it's our first country. Harvest Key, Belize.